powerful.
All right, today we're gonna bring a mini brushless chainsaw. If you guys can see that, it's all included with 2 batteries, and the batteries actually are the charging area. You have to charge it in there, in the centerpiece. So they give you 2 batteries. Pretty awesome little batteries, 24 volts batteries. The gloves to go along with it, so you don't get dirty or cut. An extra chainsaw, in case it runs out dull, you could replace it, or you break the other one. An oil little container, but it doesn't have oil. You have to purchase your own chainsaw oil. The power cord to actually charge the batteries. Glasses to protect eye protection. To remove the chainsaw. A tool, they give you a special tool. And a brush to clean it out. So the chainsaw is about 6 inches long. It has a protected area, so you can get cut in the top here. You guys can see that. This is perfect, ideal use for any kind of branches or work that you can be cutting on the back of a tree. This is a perfect ideal. Yellow, they come in various colors, and you can see the actual oil cap here. So if you drape, you can see how much oil you need, and you're going to request. Oil goes in here. You can see all the fluids in here, so make sure you add oil prior to use it. It does have a little bit of oil, but my suggestion is buy your own oil. All right, and it has a safety button. Push the button and go. That's pretty much it. All right, so and to remove the chainsaw, here's the actual tool. Fit it in there, remove this part, release the safety, take out the chain, add the new chain, you're set to go. Like I said, the gloves are included. The actual glasses are stretchable, so any size. And we're gonna go ahead and safety first, and then go ahead and set up the chainsaw ready with the battery. It's active, it's live, and we're gonna cut a piece of branch here so you can see how powerful it is. Look at how powerful, and that's a thick branch right there, with a matter of seconds to cut down. So if it could cut this, it could cut pretty much anything, and real sharp edges. Look at how fine the edge actually is. Right, now we used it up, really strong. If you guys can see it, didn't make a damage at all. It cut a very thick piece of wood. I hope you guys enjoy the video.